Future signal loud and clear. Jah Light on the frequency. Digital age, but we still need wisdom. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap and you buy. Smart city lights watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Jah Light setting fast, don't comply blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Stock market swing like a baseline drop. Economy shake when the interest pop. You say inflation got the people stressed. Food price high, still the rent not stop. Digital wallet, no notes in hand. Central bank talking digital plan. One ID for travel, one scan for land. Convenience sweet, but the leash too grand. AI city, traffic run smooth. Camera see all, even read your mood. Social score talk on the evening news. Behave good or them limit your moves. Jah Light read between headline lies. When them say progress, ask who decide. Future build fast like a tech man ride. But freedom now upload if spirit now guide. So we stock knowledge same way as well. Invest in the mind, invest in self. System evolve, but remember yourself. Cause control gets strong when you lose your depth. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap and you buy. Smart city lights watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Jah Light setting fast, don't comply blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Global summit, them meet every year. Talk about climate, economy, fear. Carbon credit, digital track. Every move log on a virtual map. Work from phone, world in your palm. But burnout real, mental alarm. Fast lane life, but the soul feel calm. Or we just trapped in a silicon farm. Electric car, smart grid zone. House talk back when you reach home. Convenience king, but question throne. Who run the code when you feel alone? Jah Light say balance the tech with soul. Use the tool, but don't lose control. Future goal, not just blockchain scroll. It's unity, love, and spiritual goal. Upgraded the world, don't downgrade art. High speed life, but a conscious start. System built strong, play your part. But freedom not found in a shopping cart. Money turn data, numbers in the sky. Cashless world, one tap on your back. Smart city lights watching you pass by. Universal system, open up your eye. Crypto dark, banks them redesign. Inflation rising, cost of living high. Jah Light setting fast, don't blah blind. Future so bright, but controlling a line. Yeah, Jah Light in a digital age. Not anti-progress, just pro-awareness. Build wealth, build mind, build soul. Future for serve the people, not control. Signal out time zone.